Welcome. Today in front of me Realme 9 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside the box what was device comes. So first we can see here the USB-C cable, the original Realme charger brick with all of the specs here, and also we got here the SIM tool, some paperwork, the quick phone guide and the warranty letters, and also we got here the silicone protective case. So that's it. There are here the all of box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.